people are engaging in that video, and I love that.
We keep running faster and faster. I don't know where we're out yet. We keep up with disaster, disaster. I keep getting there after me.
Hi guys, good morning. So back to reality. Yeah, I am back in Freetown and today is Monday, so I have plans to go to the market. Okay, I'm using my natural lighting, so the sun is affecting the reflection, so that is why you couldn't see the product clearly. But this is the Aloe Vera Vitamin C Serum. So I'm using this Jargons Ultra Healing. Some people are saying this product, because of this green, is the fake one and the other one is the original. But I don't know, because this one also is good. I don't know, anyways, but it works well for me. Lately I've been using Jargons products. I have like 3 different types of Jargons products. So I'm using this lip balm, this Vaseline lip balm, to moisturize my lips. Anytime I have the opportunity to go back to the province, I will take you guys along with me, create content. And guys, my last vlog, you guys love my last vlog. I really appreciate, because people are engaging, the watch time is going up, all that. Anyways, I love that vlog, like the one that I do when going around the Put Locker and asking people questions. People are engaging in that video, and I love that for me. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. Okay, thank you for supporting. I love you guys so much. You guys, you mean a lot to me. That is what I wanted to see. That is what I wanted to see on my videos. I want my videos to have views, not only to have views, but to also have like watch hour, because some people will be clicking and click out, right? I know I am blabbing a lot, I am talking a lot, but I miss you guys. I want to talk to you guys. I want to talk to you. So I also have plans to cook today. I want to cook fried stew, but I don't want to go to the market. I want to send someone. I will send someone to go there for me, then I will come and cook my stew. And I also have plans to learn how to sew. I want to do tailoring. Okay, my friend has a machine, Precious, you all know her, and Precious sew my birthday, like my birthday outfit, my 28th birthday outfit. So I love it, but that is not the reason that I want to learn how to sew. I have passion for tailoring, just that I did not find the opportunity on either stand up or get up to go and learn how to sew. But since my friend has a machine, I will go there one of these days, maybe this week. I will go there and learn how to sew. I really want to know how to sew. Yeah, that is it. She also have aloe veras. I want to plant aloe veras. Guys, I don't know if you can notice, I have stretch marks on my arms, which is normal. It's not a crime to have it, but I want to get rid of them. Even if I'm not able to get rid of them, but I want to minimize them. I have stretch marks on my arms, weight gain plus using bad products before. So yeah, that is the reason why I have the stretch marks. And I also have them on my tummy. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, Look at them. Yeah, this is when I gave birth to my baby. Do you see the ones on my arms? Yeah. So since I now reduce my body, I want to target to treat them. So I want to go to my friend, tell her to give me aloe vera, and I will come and plant it. I will come and do my own agriculture, okay? So that on the long run, I can use it for so many things. Yeah, that is it. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Please guys, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. So let's go and cook something sumptuous, okay? I will talk to you guys on the next slide. Bye for now.
We keep running faster and faster. I don't know what we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like faster and faster. We're running like faster and faster. We keep running faster and faster. I don't know what we're after, yeah. We keep
Morning guys.
disaster.
So I'm in my friend's place and I want to learn how to sew. She has the machine and I am the model. Anyways, I am here because I have a passion for tailoring or seamstress. I want to learn how to sew. That is why I am here. So I will take you guys along my training journey, okay? So come along with me, guys.
All two.
I put my slippers on.
No, I'm not talking about the
All two. I put a rest and then
all two, yeah, rest down today.
okay.
They want me to scroll this down to the cuts are down, yes. As the scroll are down, the pedal, you move your foot there.
Okay.
Yeah, now that is not follow your foot right. You just let by your foot for you before move and
So, that's bad. What if I move this?
yes, okay, watch. Come back. Example, actually.
Why you don't pull some past me?
Because we don't say the
So I need to
beginners.
pull my shoes
No,
first.
not. Yeah, if you want pull and pull and But like before you don't put your foot there, so you just the scroll, you scroll one. Put on the pencil.
Okay, thank you.
That's the version.
Okay, now. Okay, that for put pressure small.
Yeah, wait till you scroll outside, you know you put pressure. You know you put that.
Okay, look.
Stay. Oh, man, no, what's up? That's what you say.
I will want to miss me also, so we
Like, you might have a.
for now,
Yeah.
I will continue for later on. But for now, wow.
Think of that.
What's that? What's that?
That's enough.
Oh, where's something? Where's something? This look here then come on.
Come on, son, for fixer.
But if I fix her now, so after that we continue back. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 2 of learning how to sew. Okay, so let's start going. Don't come back to me.
Go back. Just so this is it so. Maybe better. Make come back. Make. Okay. Go for it.
Hi guys, welcome back guys. So it's currently 1:40 and I am done for today, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.